Welcome to TYMATE. This is our heavy-duty Ratchet tie-down kit with hook and keeper, designed to provide a safe, secure and reliable solution for restraining loads during transport. Featuring a 50mm polyester webbing, a 9-metre overall length and a lashing capacity of 2,500 kilograms, this tie-down is well suited to transporting palletised freight, machinery, construction materials, equipment and other heavy loads. One of the key features is the heavy-duty aluminium ratchet handle, which provides excellent leverage for quick and controlled tensioning. Once tightened, the ratchet locks securely in place to help maintain consistent tension throughout your journey. The hook and keeper end fittings are designed to provide a secure connection to suitable anchor points, helping keep the hook engaged while the load is being restrained. Using the strap is simple. Attach both ends to anchor points, feed the webbing through the ratchet spindle, remove the slack by hand, then operate the ratchet until the load is firmly secured. Always ensure the webbing remains flat and free from twists before transport. Before each use, inspect the webbing, ratchet mechanism and fittings for signs of wear or damage and never exceed the rated lashing capacity. This product is intended for load restraint only and must not be used for lifting. Built for demanding commercial environments, the TYMATE heavy-duty ratchet tie-down kit delivers the strength, durability and reliability trusted by transport operators, warehouses, contractors and businesses across Australia. For complete specifications and product information, refer to the details on the product page. TYMATE, professional load restraint solutions from Pacific Packaging Australia.